Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about wearing glasses to prevent COVID. It's a small little topic, but it's true, or at least it's very useful. Listen to the science of it. A study from China where virtually many people wear glasses because the Chinese have a genetic risk for myopia. 300 consecutive patients who were admitted with COVID were checked for whether they wore glasses or not. Well, it turned out that only 13% of those who wore glasses got COVID, and roughly 30% who didn't did. That was an 80% reduction of risk. What that confirms is that this is a respiratory droplet virus. It is spread by being in moist water that is in the air, tiny little droplets that come out when you shout or sing or even talking. In fact, you can, after reading this study, what I did is I looked at my computer screen, my laptop, and after 2 days of keeping my laptop open and me at work when I'm working off of it and talking to people on the phone, I find thousands of little tiny specks of what must be dehydrated saliva on my laptop. And I clean it off. I probably clean it off twice a week with clean wipes. That's what's happening in what we're breathing in. That's how we get COVID. So if you don't have glasses, air blows the respiratory droplet into your mucous membrane around your eye, and you then get COVID. What will work for me? I wear glasses naturally, but you might think wearing glasses more often. If you go into high-risk places like outdoors, you might take sunglasses with you, or you might, if you go to a grocery store, you might just put on light tan, light shaded glasses. Or take your reading glasses with you and wear them so that you can read grocery labels. Reduce your risk 80%. This is a no-brainer. This is Dr. John Whitcomb with News and Nutrition. Glasses prevent COVID.